Hello. In this video let's learn about questions in simple past. Past simple questions. We use did to make questions with the past simple. Did plus subject plus verb in present plus complement plus question mark. Did she play tennis when she was younger? Yes, she did. Did you live abroad? No, I didn't. When did you meet your wife? I met her in college. Where did you go for your holidays? I went to the beach. Remember that questions with who often don't use did. For example, who discovered penicillin? Who wrote Don Quixote? Did you like this video? Check out the others, give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. We have new content every week.